Today's technical advice focuses on animal welfare. Let's start this tutorial with the 5 fundamental freedoms. To meet societal expectations, France, Europe, and the OIE have written rules to define animal welfare. The 5 basic freedoms of reference for animal welfare are given by the World Organization for Animal Health. Firstly, freedom from hunger or thirst. Secondly, freedom from discomfort. Thirdly, freedom from pain, injury, or illness. Fourthly, freedom to express natural behavior specific to the species. Finally, freedom from experiencing fear or distress. Let's continue with employee training. It is essential to limit human intervention and approach as close as possible to natural behavior. We pay particular attention to the training of farmers and employees, especially for handling animals. At grimaud frères, we have obtained the Code EFABAR, European Forum of Farm Animal Breeders, approval, which guarantee animal welfare, from selection to delivery of the animals to the farm. In animal husbandry, we use the EBEAN audits developed by ITAVI, which allow us to evaluate animal welfare. Grimaud frères is committed to caring for animals. First of all, because it is the basis for the expression of animal potential. An animal that develops in comfort expresses its full potential.
If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter WheezyU and leave a comment just below.